classic point and click. In the last episode, we gave our character a unique identity. In this episode, I'll make our cursor indicate if a place is ground or not. I will create a folder to maintain the project well organized. Markers to the rescue. Craft a marker script. You know the drill. Transform the class into an abstract class. Every marker shall possess its very own marker transform. Every marker shall acquaint itself with the concept of solid ground. Let's scribble and weave an await method into our abstract class and elucidate its purpose. Foremost, we gotta verify the ground collider be present in our fantastical scene. To ensure its existence, I shall harness the mystical powers of the find game object with tag method, seeking out me precious ground. After giving our game ground a thorough inspection, 'tis time to lay hands on its coveted collider component. Splendid! The ground be undefined, our marker script shall refuse to toil, leading to a dire game error. Enough for now. Let's code our cursor marker script. I dub thee the reflective cursor marker, a name befitting its magical essence. Leap forth and edit the script. Claim the rightful legacy of the marker class. Craft a game object for our marker, then attach the script. Let's shape the script's behaviors. Ponder upon the art of naming, for it shall capture the essence of your code's very nature and behaviors. I provide thee with a multitude of handy variables, allowing thee to visualize the unfolding events with greater clarity and understanding. Colors and speed. Furthermore, I bestow upon thee the marker renderer, a Boolean variable that verifies if thou art grounded in the ever-changing color of the present color. We shall seize control and override the sacred await method, invoking the ancient powers of its base form and initializing the essential components of our game. Once the mystical rituals of initialization have been completed, I shall command the player's cursor to vanish, altering its manifestation within the game itself. Let's conjure forth a simple marker visualization. Marker model it be. I craft a simple model for the marker, humble yet effective. I shall now set the marker and assign its material. The marker shall default to transparency. I utilize the update method to fetch information from the input system and employ it accordingly. When the ground is clicked, retrieve the Vector 3 information. I raise the output Vector 3 slightly above the ground location to prevent rendering conflicts. Now, Let me unravel the wondrous magic of altering colors based on different situations. I assign a color based on the Boolean information obtained from the ground. Then, I make this color the current color for further utilization. With the aid of the color lamp method, I can achieve graceful color transitions, smoothly animating between different shades. Using the camera's world to viewport point method, I move the marker to a different position within the camera's view. I retrieve the Vector 3 information and verify if the interaction falls within the game borders. And lastly, I translate the Vector 3 information to a new transform position, seamlessly relocating our marker to its designated spot. I promptly establish the colors from our inspector, enabling swift and convenient setup for our visual elements. Oh, a slight quandary. Despite all systems functioning properly, the ground marker remains invisible to your discerning eyes. Fret not, for I shall assist you in rectifying this matter. The solution presents itself. The problem lay in the manual adjustment of the marker offset. As your discerning eyes can behold, the cursor gracefully transitions its color when positioned over the ground unit and the void unit. The change in hue serves as a visual indicator, guiding the player's attention to these distinct areas. Feel free to take your time and make precise adjustments to the colors and the speed of the animation transitions. To achieve optimal performance, examine the profiler and seek out opportunities for improvement. Delve into its insights to enhance the efficiency and unleash the full potential of our creation. That concludes our current chapter. In the next installment, we shall refine our scripts and embark on a deeper exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Your support is greatly appreciated as it helps me grow and create more content for you. Many thanks, me hearties. May fortune smile upon ye, and good luck be with ye on your journey.